Hello everyone, this is TP Samar Singh, a student of NIT Rourkela. This is an explanation of a problem on triangulation method in surveying. Let's go to the problem. Here we have the problem. In a triangulation survey, four triangulation stations A, B, C and D were tied using a brushed quadrilateral ABCD shown in figure 1.0. The length of the diagonal AC was measured and found to be 1116.40 meter long. The measured angles are as below: alpha equals to 44 degree 40 minutes 59 seconds, beta equals to 67 degree 43 minutes 55 seconds, gamma equals to 63 degree 19 minutes 28 seconds, and delta equals to 29 degree 38 minutes 50 seconds. So the length of AC and the angles of alpha, beta, gamma and delta are given. We have to calculate the length of BD. Let us see how to do that. Just before the explaining of the solution, let me explain some important theory and fundamentals related to the problem. Triangulation. Triangulation is one of the methods of fixing accurate controls. It is based on the trigonometric proposition that if one side and two angles of a triangle are known, the remaining sides can be computed. A triangulation system consists of a series of joint or overlapping triangles in which an occasional side called as baseline is measured and remaining sides are calculated from the angles measured at the vertices of the triangles. Vertices being the control points are called as triangulation stations. Here we have the expressions for sine rule and cosine rule. These are the main mathematical fundamentals which were used to solve this problem. Now let me explain the solution. As we know, the summation of interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. First I consider the ABD triangle. So we have the angle of BAD equals to theta equals to 180 degree minus alpha plus gamma. Alpha and gamma values are given. So we have theta equals to 71 degree 59 minutes 33 seconds. Similarly, in BCD triangle, we have phi equals to 180 degree minus beta plus delta. Beta and delta values are given, so we have phi equals to 82 degree 37 minutes 15 seconds. Now applying the sine rule into ABD triangle, we have AB divided by sine gamma equals to BD divided by sine theta. Then AB equals to BD into sine gamma divided by sine theta. It's noted as equation A. Similarly, applying sine rule into BCD triangle, we have BC divided by sine delta equals to BD divided by sine phi. Then we have BC equals to BD into sine delta divided by sine phi. It's noted as equation B. Now considering the ABC triangle, the length of AC is given and AB and BC are known in terms of BD, and the angle of ABC is equals to alpha plus beta. Now applying cosine rule in ABC triangle, we have AC square equals to AB square plus BC square minus 2 into AB into BC into cos ABC. It's noted as equation C. Now substituting the values of AB and BC from equation A and B respectively in equation C, we can get this equation. Then taking out BD square as common, we have this equation. So the length of AC is known, the angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta, theta and phi are known, we know the angle of ABC equals to alpha plus beta, so we can put those values in this equation. The only unknown is length of BD. So finally, after solving the equation, we have the length of BD equals to 914.89 meter. This is the required answer. I hope you all understood the solution well. Thanks for watching the video.